Hey everyone, how's it going? If you're new here, I'm Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my social media platforms. I talk all things reselling, whether that be online as well as in person. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe if you're over here on YouTube, or you do follow me if you're on Facebook. So if you're not following me, I love unboxings. So there's boxes, huge boxes back here that have Up. And it is a company that I like to buy from. It's called ThredUp. And basically I buy these rescue boxes. They're kind of like mystery boxes and you never know what's inside of them. And they have a description of each box that you buy. So I bought two 200-pound women's mystery boxes at the end of the year just because they were having an end of the year sale on them, and they never have sales on these rescue boxes usually. So I was like, okay, if I can get inventory much cheaper, why don't I jump on it? So I went ahead and bought two 200 pounds. Did I need the inventory? No, I did not. But did I buy it? Yes. No, it's always an investment. So I know I used to think of these as like death piles, meaning piles of clothing that I haven't listed and it's just kind of sitting there, but here I am buying more inventory. But when you switch your mindset and realizing it's an investment, this is your business. So when you're buying more inventory, yes, it may be sitting there, but as long as it's not something that, needs to be sold pretty quickly, it's just money sitting there, meaning every time you need more money, you need to make more money, all right, go to your pile, go list more. That's how I see it. So it's always just an investment. And if I can make that investment cheaper, so my ROI, make it increase by getting the cost of goods cheaper, why not jump on it? So I bought two of them. I figured, why not? I almost bought a third, but I really wanted a men's rather than two women's just because I have an overflow of women's right now. So I don't really need it. But again, I love selling it to you guys for cheap. So if you see anything before I get it listed, let me know. I'll make you a great deal on it. I always do $10 for anything over a pound for shipping, and then $6 for anything under, and you add $2 for each additional item. So I'll go ahead and start opening this for you guys. Always have this tissue on the top of the box. So I like to actually fold this up nice and kind of keep it for either shipping or packaging like breakable materials that I'm shipping out. So I repurpose that material, obviously. I think I'm gonna cut this off so it doesn't keep flapping in my way. Okay, the first item is a blazer by Halogen, size small. This actually is a really pretty one. Love it. It kind of gives me Y2K vibes, but obviously it is a newer one with the tag. That's super cute. Very strong scent of patchouli though. So whoever, if you have a, allergy to patchouli, do not buy that one. They may need washed a little bit. And that is one thing with these mystery boxes that you have to take into consideration. If you have any allergies or like sensitivity to smells and stuff, you may not want to get these. And it's optional if you want to wash the items before listing them or not. But for the most part, the items come in new or like new condition, and very rarely do I find items that are, pretty damaged that is not going to even be able to be listed, which I'll, either get rid of or redonate, one or the other. These are just an Amazon pair of shorts, it looks like. So this would be a good one to probably take to Plato's Closet or Style Encore, which I do sell to them. So I have other videos up on YouTube if you want to see me like selling to Plato's and Style and how I do it and stuff like that. Just let me know. What is this? Callaway. I think this is a golf short. It's size 2 or skort. Yes, skort. And it smells like patchouli too, so this must be the same person. Which, I mean, whatever. All right, so this usually means designer in the ThredUp box, but let's see. Okay, it looks like it could be a nicer tag, so perhaps. Honestly, that's super cute. I wonder if that'll fit me. Yeah, so it's super tiny. I don't think it will, but if not, it's for sale. Another one with that tag. This is getting exciting. Something Paris. Hopefully there's no stain on it since it's white. but it is kind of like a semi crop top. But yeah, I'm almost positive those purple tags mean designer, so I don't know why they would be in this box. Maybe it didn't sell. All right, Columbia Sportswear, size small. This is a deep purple, super cute jacket. I thought I saw the tag. It's like new condition. Reebok, size medium. And if you want to see pictures of anything, just let me know and I can definitely get you more pictures. Send me a screenshot of what you're interested in. It's just going to help me be able to figure out which item you're talking about faster. Endless Rose, size large. Oh, this is pretty. So it's kind of like a caged look. That's really pretty. And flowy shift dress. I like that. My son is taking a nap, so like the monitor is right there if you see me looking down at something. All right, Love Stitch, size small. This is cute. All right, this dress is new with tags. TFNC London, size 16. This is cute. Sequin dress. Or is it a, yeah, it's a dress. I thought it was a romper at first. Yeah, that's adorable. And it's a size 16. It's kind of got this slit in the back there. I think this is just like a boutique brand. What size is it? A size medium, but it's a camo vest, and I believe it's reversible. Olive green, super cute. That would go with a lot of items. I love olive and black. I wear a lot of black. All right, size small. This is just an Amazon or boutique blouse. Those are great to take to Plato's or Style. So if none of you guys want those, since it is just an Amazon find, I would just send it there. That'd just be my easiest bet. Allison Joy, size small. This would be great paired with some high-waisted jeans. My son is awake, so he's probably gonna start crying any second. Wild Fable, size large. Oh, this is adorable though. I like that. I might keep that with some black leggings or something. Wear it as like the oversized fit. That's cute. So this feels like either vintage or a handmade piece. That's super cute. Again, since there's no measure or size, I can measure it for you guys if you're interested, if you like the style. All right, so Elf, size small, pajama pants. All right, another like pajama top. I don't see, oh, it's a small, but I don't see a brand. So it's just like a cami pajama top. I'll be back. Okay, my son is awake and he is in there eating with my friend. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this now. This is Chaser, I think is how it's pronounced, and it's a size small. This is more of a heavier weight, like thermal. It's got the side buttons as well as them here. This may become mine depending on how it fits. Super cute. A lot of the items, if they're gonna fit, probably gonna keep them just because I've lost so much weight. I need smaller sizes. All right, this is Love Stitch. I think the exact same one was in there. And again, a lot of these nicer items are smelling like patchouli. So I bet it was the same person from the same box, which happens a lot of the time. People are like, well, why do they put these in mixed boxes rather than selling them themselves? Because they're an online, you know, like reselling platform themselves. Reasons would be like if it's out of season, out of style, maybe the person who was going through the items didn't realize the brand, or they saw a flaw or thought they saw a flaw. They will just, you know, put them in these boxes or whatever else they do with them. Okay, so this one is just 21. So Forever 21, size large, just like a black kind of, I wouldn't say shift dress, kind of flowy dress there. I do like Forever 21 and stuff. If it's in larger sizes, it does tend to sell pretty well. All right, this is Do Everything with Love. This sounds like a familiar brand. I'll have to look this one up, but this is super cute. I wonder what size it is. It doesn't say a size. And I bet there's just like a small flaw somewhere. So if you're interested in the item, I can definitely take better pictures because, you know, this type of material, I'm sure it's easy to get a snag in. And then again, if it's one small snag, you know, if it's a great item, you know, you can get it for super cheap from Banana Republic. This is merino wool. So the one thing with wool is you want to hold it up to the light and make sure you don't see anything shine through. So the light's over here, that's why I'm just holding it up here. But you would see like little holes if a moth ate anything out of it. This is a size large. G-E-N, Jenner. Oh. So it's gray to me, so it's holographic. I'm like, wow, it's white. No, so it's holographic, and so are these. I've never heard of that, but I mean, it seems like it could be a good brand. Let me know if you guys are familiar, but this is cute. Jenner. Or is it Jenner? Like, I don't know. Probably not. I think that's two ends. No boundary, size large. So I would take these probably to like Style Encore, and I would just cut off the tag simply because it says $9.98. So if I'm selling it to Style Encore, they'll take it. But yeah, I just want to take off the actual original price. What is this? Some small medium. So just this pink sweater, very soft. Universal thread, size medium. I do list some universal thread stuff, it just depending on the style and size. Size matters also. I typically don't list a whole lot of smaller sizes, or try not to. Size medium. I feel like they take a lot longer to sell. This is just an Amazon basic. What is this one? Des Donna by, I don't know. Does not sound like a familiar brand. Let's see what it is though. I think it's a dress. Okay, so it's like a sheer dress or tunic. I don't know. But it does not have a lining and it's very small. I don't know what size it is. All right, this is Charlotte Russe. So anything that I don't know, you're probably like, so are you gonna look it up? I can't look it up right now. I'm recording off my phone. So I look it up later just to make sure the comps look good. And if it looks like something that, you know, might sell quickly or sell for a good amount, I will resell it then. So you have to take in consideration how long it's gonna take to sell and the amount it's gonna sell for. And that will determine if I'm gonna list it online or not. So this is Charlotte Russe, which does take a little bit of time kind of figuring out how to find what will sell and what won't sell. So yeah, it's gonna take you guys a little bit, but it's worth learning. Medium tall, Athleta. So these are like a thicker jogging pant and they have a gray stripe down them, and they are skinny. Very cute jogger pant. Divided extra small. That is so cute. It is like a semi-crop fit, so this would be great with high-waisted jeans. What is this? Zoffel, size 6. So this is probably a swim top, I would assume. It's got kind of like a harder wire on the side. But yeah, that's cute. Stretchy material. Liz Claiborne, size medium. That's a cute green. JanU, size large. So this is actually a really good find. This is a nursing pant, scrub pant, and it's got the cuffed ankle. I love JanU. It feels like butter. So if you're in the nursing field or healthcare field, you know the feel of your scrubs matters. So JanU is a great one. It does resell for pretty close to retail if it's in good condition. French Connection size small. Fashion Nova. So I figured I would get Fashion Nova in this. They stopped taking fast fashion. So a lot of the Fashion Nova and Forever 21 pieces and stuff you're going to find in these boxes. This is perfect for Valentine's Day. So I definitely need to get that to my lister as soon as possible. Derek Hart. This is just like a dress. It didn't have a size. Almost Famous size large. This one does have a tag. I'm assuming this is more of like a tunic. Oh no, it's a romper. Okay, so this is a romper. So these look like Super Mario pants. I don't know. Some kind of emojis, and there was no size. I'm assuming it's like a small or extra small. So if you're interested, let me know. Then this brand, size medium. This is a really pretty color for summer. Okay, so this one is really soft. Really, really soft. Let's see, what brand? There's another piece. So it's Softies 2X, 3X. I'm not familiar with that brand, but this is so soft, and it's a two-piece like PJ outfit. It's got pockets, so I would sell it together probably. If you're interested, let me know and I can get you the sizes of both of them because they may not be the same size. Solo Fimo, small medium. So this is a very, very small top, like a bralette probably. French Gray. It's a cute dress. It's more gray and like a ivory, I would say, color. So this is something super thin. I'm not seeing a size. Oh, yep. So Romeway, that fast fashion site, this is a small. So this is something that I would probably take to Style Encore. They take that fast fashion just because it is within the first or the last couple of years usually. And if you know them, they only take clothing that has been dated within the last couple of years. There are some like other items they may take, like designer pieces and stuff like that. But for the most part, they only take items that have been made within the last 2 years. So, all right guys, so I'm gonna have to split this into two. I am cutting this one off here. Be sure you look out for the other one. I'll probably release it tomorrow, maybe later tonight, more than likely tomorrow, just because I do have to edit the video and upload it. Then yeah, get it out to y'all. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to see anything else, pictures of it, just let me know, and have an amazing day.